Bybit Exchange app. The pros, the cons. The Bybit Exchange app is a derivatives-focused cryptocurrency platform. You won't believe the leverage and trading tools available, but most people get this wrong by assuming it's only for professional traders. Beginners can also use its spot trading and demo accounts. Pros include derivatives and spot trading, leverage up to X, advanced charting, and smart order types. Security is strong with two-factor authentication, cold wallets, and robust compliance measures. The app also offers demo accounts, staking, and competitions with rewards. Cons include a steep learning curve for new traders, custodial wallets, and regulatory restrictions in some countries. High leverage trading can be risky for beginners if used improperly. In conclusion, the Bybit Exchange app is perfect for users seeking advanced trading options, derivatives, and a professional platform with strong security. Beginners can start with spot trading and demo accounts before exploring more complex features.